Hi friends, welcome to your Wins Lotto. Facebook, subscribe, join winning WhatsApp group. Important number, post on WhatsApp group, subscriber WhatsApp group. Okay, come to join to win. Okay, friends, every day my videos coming. All friends share. Today date 7 month 7 year 2025. Which purpose? Grand Dragon and Nine Lotto 4D number prediction. Okay. Today guess number. What guess number? Today guess number 4, 8, 9. Today guess number 4, 8, 9. Friends, anybody playing 3D number, follow this number 489. Play to win direct and iBox. Okay, convert to 4D number prediction. Today, what formula? Friends, today what formula? Today formula all 1 plus and all 1 minus. Today formula all 1 plus and all 1 minus. Today guess number 948. Today guess number 948. Today formula all 1 plus 1 minus. 9 plus 1 10, last one number 0. 4 plus 1 5, 8 1 plus 1 9, 8 minus 1 7, 3 minus 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 1 8. Guess number and formula number same number coming numbers close. 9 is coming close. 4 no coming. 8 is coming. Today fourth number 0, 5, 3, 7. Today fourth number 0, 5, 3, 7. Note this point. Friends, note this number. Today what important number? First full number I will writing. Next I will tell you main important number, your 4D winning number. Compulsory my post, share, like and comment. Okay. Subscribe to Facebook. Join your winning WhatsApp group. Come to join win every day. Don't miss friends. Today you are winning 4D number 4, 8, 6, 9, 4, 8, 0, 9, 4, 8, 7, 9, 4, 8, 1, 9, 4, 8, 2, 9, 4, 8, 3, 9, and last one 4, 8, 5, 9. Total numbers 7 numbers only. Important number and 4D your winning number. Join to Facebook, subscriber, WhatsApp your winning group. Post on Facebook, subscriber only. Okay, come to join my post, share, like, comment. Today important number, don't miss.